Hey everybody, as we start to approach the end of summer, we're going to start getting some plants started here in our hoop house. Alrighty, so what we're going to be planting in here is we already got some carrots started. We started some of our lettuce, our spinach. Right here we have some beets. We're also going to be planting some peas, some more beans, and our cabbages. We're gonna let the peppers and stuff continue to grow in here. We're gonna clean up some of our herbs. I need to get a stake to support this one pepper plant. It keeps falling over. And I needed to go get another one right there. So super easy to continue to grow as the weather is changing. Remember, here in Wisconsin, zone 5B, I just need to have some type of protection. So that's why I have my hoop house here. But you can always make a mini hoop house. All you gotta do is get some PVC and some of that clear plastic and just build a mini frame, like a little dome to go on top of your plants outside. And you really don't need to start doing that until it starts getting super cold, or probably around the 40 degrees at nighttime. But right now, those cold weather crops, we're gonna start getting those in the ground. And the ground should be pretty ready for them. You've already had plants going in there, but I'm just gonna go get a rake and kind of loosen up the soil a little bit. Just a small little rake, should be good. And I'm just raking up this little section I have here. Try to get some of the weeds out that I have. Just get it nice and ready for those seeds. So here we have baby bok choy with some radishes in the middle, and all the way down the line we have some snow peas. I have 3 different types of cabbages here. So I have broccoli, green cabbage, and kohlrabi. I took a picture so I know what's there. Well, I really don't remember what I put here. I planted here. We have some beets. To that last night, but I did line up a couple rows of more radishes over here. I totally forgot again what I put there, but some type of cabbage will be fine. Right here in this little patch, put a bunch of cover crops. All right, so now that we have this area raked out, we're gonna go ahead and grab our buckwheat cover crop, and hopefully within a couple of weeks, it says probably about 4 weeks, we'll have this cover crop coming up. We'll let it get pretty tall, and then what we'll do is we'll just put some plastic or stuff on top of it to help it die down, and hopefully it'll put some of that nutrients back into the soil. I remember what I planted there. I planted some lettuces there, and I planted another row of lettuce right between my leeks. I have spinach there and another row of lettuce right there. I got green beans. I got some radishes in between them. Obviously got my carrots from there from a couple weeks ago. So what am I doing here? I'll show you. So I have some garden beds here that are fairly new, and I really need to get some more nutrients in the ground. And I'm throwing some of this cover crop down. I know it's kind of probably almost the end of summer, but it's okay. I'm gonna put this stuff down. I'm gonna let it grow, and then we're gonna put some plastic on top of it to help die it down and try to get some of that nutrients back in the ground. So I'm gonna try to get this cover crop down before the storm comes in. I'm putting it right down in there. See, now I have it all on the surface. I'm gonna go in and have my little rake. I'm gonna go ahead and just lightly rake it in. That's it. Well, there you go. Got it all raked in right before that storm is hitting. Let's go do clean up, put my rake away. So I think that's it for the hoop house. We'll get this stuff going. Those cabbages are gonna fill in a lot of the other spaces. I got them all clumped together over there. That's okay. So as they grow nice and tall, I'll take them out, separate them, and transplant them where I want them inside my amazing 16 by 8 foot hoop house here. starting to get hot. The sun's coming out. I'm gonna wrap up here, head inside. We'll talk to you later and keep growing.